Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Babes, you ready?
Yes, babe.
Oh, Jesus. Fix this now.
Babe,
Babes, what else you have to do?
the only thing left to do is put on my shoes, babe. Why you rush me so, man?
Me need a fig.
Babe, me ready. Yo, watch out. Babe, just calm down now.
Today just have to be a good day.
Babe, everything will go good, man. Just relax now. Yo, you make it sound like it's an interview, me the pan.
I'm not interview, babe, but
Look how you're rushing at you do your makeup good.
it don't look good.
No, you just rush it, babe, so just take your time.
Babes, come on, man. What
Yeah.
make you have to wear that pants day?
Where am I with my pants?
You could have wear the other pants we wear the church Sunday.
What do you with my church pants for?
Babes, just come, just come.
Right here, sir, right?
Yeah, right here.
Can't you look worried? You pregnant? You baby pregnant? Baby pregnant?
No.
So why you act so like? Baby, just now I'm meet your mother.
You don't understand.
Understand, so what, babe?
It's just that at least take out the earring.
So that if you tell me, say, oh, your mother have a problem with the earring, babe. You make me just afraid, so cast. Tell me something. And be honest with me. You feel like me I go be judgmental towards your mother or something? You feel like me I go pray her differently or something?
You just wouldn't even understand.
Babe, you know what you need to make me understand her, me just go home. You make me feel uncomfortable
Why
right
you
now.
go home?
Babe, I am mother me and meet you and make you look like say me I go on interview. There is something about your mother you not tell me?
Not really.
Oh what? You just know me meet your mother?
I'm not that.
Oh what?
Okay. Babes, I'm gonna meet my mother today. And I just want it special.
Babe, me just that if you tell me. That if you tell me, you know. Hey, come here, man. Trust me. Hey, trust me. Lighten up yourself now, man.
Alright.
Hey, mind sure my mother gonna love me after, you know. I see them, I gonna end up with 2 girls now. Your mother, you see me? Hey, but still a blue.
No.
Babe, come on, no, man.
Mommy! Hi! Hi, Mommy! Oh, you do my Me get so caught up with work and everything. I was so busy.
So everything
good.
I'm
I
so glad
have
to
somebody
hear.
with me wife for me, Mommy.
Afternoon,
Same
mom.
here. This is Jerome. Jerome and me, we've been living together for a while now, Mommy. And
And she tell me a lot about you.
a lot of
Really?
good things. All the good things, obviously. And this is just the person that I like, Mommy, and I really wanted to get to know him. From me, please.
So why you beg your mom please to know me? She gonna know me. Right, mom?
So this is the heartbeat.
Yes.
Okay. I can imagine. What young man? Where you from?
I'm from a place called New Bowens. Babe, relax now. I'm from a place called New Bowens, mom.
Yes, and what is your surname from New Boynes?
Brown.
Okay. So, this is the Jamaican man that you like.
Yes, Mommy.
plot here. You know, when you see them on the road, you must can know them different. That
You
is here
start
to
with
me.
it, mommy.
And you know I don't really like it. I cannot choose somebody for you, but at the same time, when I look in society and I see a male, I must know a male, and I must know a female. And I always say to myself, if I have a young man who grows his hair, I will cut off mine. So what is your decision now? What's your decision?
Mommy, I truly fall in love with him, mommy. And him treat me so well. He's a sweet guy. And I don't want to change nothing at all about him. So mommy, go to church.
Good.
Yeah? And how much Joe me here, same son did go to hospital the other day. Him did alright?
Yes, you get better. And
I
okay.
go both sides, go and see them, I can go and catch up with him.
Alright.
I'm out here, sir, home.
Okay. Don't go too far. If you need me, you can maybe get you some water or something.
Yeah,
Young man, I think we make a talk more
yeah, man, as soon as...
another day.
Alright.
Mommy, I just want you to like this one. I really like him. Him treat me nice, mommy. Him treat
But
me so...
half the times they come in sheep in wolf clothing, and
Not
sometimes
because
you
I'm
say this is the
here.
right one, and next thing you come and you complain, say all kind of things, and one at a time again you say, Mommy, this is the right one.
Not
So,
this one, mommy. Mommy, I just don't want you make it too hard for him. Give him the chance at least so that he can prove himself to you.
you know, see the man with the tattoo them. Tattoo. You know, it's a sign of the devil that.
Mommy, sit down. We could talk. Because...
Me pull up my recliner, me come here.
Mommy, him treat me so good. You see, if I will live together, I not even do housework like how I'm supposed to do housework. Him help me with it. Everything, him take care of me, mommy. I not even strap up my slippers, nothing. And him put it on. Mommy, him treat me so nice, you know. Him cook for me. Some, you know, how my belly hurt me when I put my beard. Him carry me all tea in a bed, everything. Mommy, him take care of me. Him have 8 subjects. Him do well in a school. Him start university. And we literally just try to make up the money so he can finish and go to school at the money. Because it's him really want to do mom. He's a sweet guy. I just want you to get for your mom. Please, just not make it hard for him.
Me hear everything when you say. Me I listen attentively. But why people scam us so? Lord Jesus, you know see all his pants drop down on bottom. Eh? Me not understand you. Me
Mommy,
I listen, but
Looks are
the quality is not there.
Looks are deceiving, mommy.
No, me picking him, me say, look at him, because if you are take your young man come to your mother, him should not dress like that. Pants without belt, look like scammer. No man, you know me, you know. You know the kind of person your mother is. You shouldn't have taken him here. So, you know, I have to really tell you like it is, you know, because for my daughter, I have to show you the right thing. When things don't work out the right way, you can't say me never say it to you. Look here, the pants thing, and not even the hair much, you know.
Tell him to
Drop
put
the
up
pants at the
on.
waist. You don't know what that means. Male for wear belt and them pants.
Mommy, him
How that look
different.
to you?
Him different, mommy.
Different. Look on him, dropping pants and we and bottom this up. Nothing so disgusting in a society. When you see them at walk and the pants down here so and then just a walk their foot and a walk. How we look to you? You look decent? No man.
Me
Reconsider.
not judge him for who he
I
is.
am not judging, my dear. Actions speak louder than voice. You know see it? You stay there.
Jerome? Wait there. Jerome? Jerome? Oh, him gone. Mommy, you see what you do? Him gone. Mommy, you fit do better, man. I must hear him hear with conversation, you know.
So what that mean?
Mommy, you just not understand.
If you did love him, would you gone?
Mommy, I hear
Shape in a
you.
rough clothing.
But here how you talk about him and him just the right out here, so
If
mommy.
he did really love you, he wouldn't have gone through the gate.
You know, sometimes I feel like me can't reason
So
with
what
you.
that mean? So what that mean?
Mommy, me gone, man. Cause you can't reason with.
Come here. What about the other young man there?
Which
He
young
look
man, mommy?
decent and, you know,
Which
calm
young
and-
man?
Pardon me?
Which young man?
Your previous one.
Mark?
Yes.
Mommy, Mark used to beat me. That's why I never used to come home. When my face black and blue, me have to hide it. Me can't even go to a grocery store. Mark used to beat me, mommy.
What you say?
And that you a look fine on man.
What you say? The whole you never thought that.
Mommy, why me I go come home, come tell you say me unhappy?
So when you go to work, when you tell them when you're black and blue
Me
and...
have to call in sick.
Lord have mercy. My God.
Mommy, you don't even understand. Me tell you say him treat me so good, mommy. Him treat me good.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. So you say sometimes you don't even know if you trust. Talk it truth.
But mommy, are
Because
you
right now that the one used to beat you and abuse you.
Mhm.
Alright? You come, you bring this one and you say him are the right person and the heartbeat. You can't control me now, you know. So I'm look here. If he did really love you, you think you're gone? He would
But
never
mommy,
gone.
if
Regardless
I
what I have to say. Regardless what I have to say. Because let me tell you this, my picking me and your father did a talk one evening. And my mother realized we stand up and talk, you know. And my mother come and give him one lick and drop him on ground. What you think young man do? Get up and brush off himself and gone. And who was my husband? Him same one. So if a man love you, let me tell you something. That is no excuse gone through the gate.
Mommy, I know everybody stay the same. 7 brothers, 7 different mind. Me can't.
I wonder if me are too hard on him.
Babes. Babe. I'm sorry. I really never expect I should have behaved that bad. Babe, I'm so sorry.
So that's why they be so nervous this morning.
I know you understand why.
Your mother does not like it. That's how you go. So since your mother want to choose one man for you, might as well just do what your mother want.
What do you mean by that, John? What do you mean?
What do you mean by what I mean? You hear me say?
Are you me choose? And if you hear the conversation, you hear somebody that pick up for you.
You hear when I say?
Nothing so disgusting.
You see me? Yo, if you don't accept me, I just saw you going, it's cool. It's okay.
Babe, we've been living together for so long now. I've accepted you for who you are.
No, but your mother not accept me and it look like say, yo, the way you there deal with me this morning, me kind of say you don't really accept me either. You see me? So, I don't want to argue over it. If me not match up to your mother criteria, just find somebody else,
How
man.
about you match up to my criteria? And me and you in this?
Yeah, but you missed the whole point of me I say, babe. You did there fix me up all 100 times. That means you try to make me look like something where me is not. Look how me deal with you. Look how me deal with you. And then you're going to make it look like it's true. Me look one type of way. You know, them thing the right man feelings though. I mean, I tell you, if you can't...
Babe, I just she stay a certain way. Me accept you for who you be. I've accepted you for so long now, and one visit to my mother gonna ruin the two of we, baby.
You accept me for so long and you fix up my shirt 500 times like say me have on.
Because me know how she stay. She stay.
So why you carry me with it then? Better you tell me say trim then. And tell me say wear one jumper. That my pants could have the way up here so.
I would have never asked you to change yourself, and you know that. So babe, what you want me to do?
What you mean by what you want me to do? What me want you to do? Yo, I don't want you to do nothing, man. Do anything where your mother want you to do, yo. That's not...
Alright, so how about me go back down there and make sure understand say, are you me choose? Cause are you me love?
Yeah, but you look like your mother want to choose for you, yo. And you look like you're the allow her to choose for you.
It's not that.
Yo, your mother call me a scammer. You look like a scammer to you.
Babe,
She talk about sheep in a wolf clothing. You not hear all of them style how me I get.
I understand why you're upsetting about babe.
Yo, I don't want to hear that right now, man.
Babe, I just so she stay. I literally just she that. Babes. Babe. Come on. Are the two away now? Are the two away, and regardless of what she say, are you me choose? Are you me want for the way? I could go back down there right now and me talk to her. I'm gonna talk to her, I'm not stop until she understands say you me gonna choose. Regardless of what she say.
Alright.
Yeah, I could go back down there.
What do you want with do, man?
Alright, come.
Just feel away if you know say yo somebody don't know nothing about me yo and then them yo.
Babe, I'm really sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I never expected she would actually like be that rude towards you. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I could go back down there.
It's everything good. But me not lie, if she diss me again, me I gotta just go away because I don't want to disrespect your mother and at the same time, if me diss her, you me diss so. I rather just make you do what you want to do with your life, man.
And if she do that, are you me I leave with? Are you me come here with? And me and you.
Alright.